Hi, I'm Yashwant. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share a step-by-step process on how you can actually create a professional, good-looking website for free. So any individual having a website will have a job or other. So if you want to build a website, you might think like building a website is costly. You need to hire a web developer or freelance your services, or you need to spend a lot of money to get a professional website. But no, there are various ways for that. In this video, I will share one way where you can build a complete website for free. Let's get into the video. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So in this channel, you will get content on passive income tips, digital marketing, programming, latest technology, personal finance and investments, and many more, which will be useful for you in your career. So open blogger.com and you need to create an account using your Gmail account. So if you have a Gmail account, then ultimately you can directly log in into blogger.com. So here you can create a blog. So it is very simple. So this is the homepage of the blogger. So you can see there are options in the left side panel. Just select a theme. So it will provide many different themes. You just need to select a particular theme, so whatever you like, and create some posts here. So if you want to write something, you can create a post. It is creating a post is very simple in Blogger. You just need to click new post and you can directly write down what are all the things that you need to add, and you can also add links, images, videos, whatnot. And so this is okay. So creating a website is easy, but you will not get a custom name using this blogger.com. So if you can see, so if you have created an email, you will get an extension like .blogspot.com. So if you can, so if you can see, you will get an extension of blogspot.com. But no, if you want to get a custom domain, you can also do that, but you need to spend a minimum of 100 rupees to get that. Even you will get a domain uh, under 100 rupees. I will show you how you can actually do that. So just open bluehost.com. So find the link in the description. So search for the domains that you need. So if you're building something, let's suppose I'm building a website called student teach or something, whatever it might be. Let's suppose you search for it. So you will find different domain suggestions with pricing too. So you can see you will get domains as minimum as 1 point. You can see here there is a website studentteach.website. So the domain name is available for 1.99 per year, which means it will cost you around 140 to 150 rupees per year, which is very quite cheap, right? So sometimes you will also get discounts in this website. So you will get a website for a minimum of 150 rupees. So but if you don't want that, you can still use it. You can customize the theme and you can also add different elements in the layout for free. So this is the simple way to create a website. At least try to create a website for yourself. So just make sure you can create a, at least create a portfolio website for yourself. So add all the things that you're good about, store all the details about yourself, or if you want to start your own blog, so try to write posts every day so that you can maintain a good website, and you will get domain for as cheap as 150 rupees. And you can also earn that 150 if you follow the passive income tips in my YouTube channel. And if you consistently follow writing blog posts, then you can earn money by placing ads in the website. So you can also earn by using AdSense. So if you consistently write posts and maintain your website, then ultimately you can apply for AdSense. So if you can see here in the earnings, you can directly apply for AdSense here. So once AdSense is approved, so your blog will show ads to the people, so that for every ad view and ad click, you will earn money. But for that, you need to make sure you write enough posts, and also for that you need a separate page called privacy policy. So you can create multiple pages here. So you can see in the option called new page in the top. So there you also need to create a page called privacy policy. But how you can actually create a privacy policy? And search for privacy policy generator. So you can find many such things here. So you can see click on any of the link and write your website name, so you will get a privacy policy ultimately. So you just need to write your website name and the URL of your website, and if you click next, I will show you how you can actually do that. Let's suppose let's stick with the same name, student teach. I can say website name, whatever it is, just for to show you how you can So student teach, you have a, let's suppose you have a website called studentteach.website. Click next by writing all these details. To use cookies on your website in the beginning, as a blog, you don't need to do that. Do you show advertising through Google AdSense on your website? Yes, you need that, because in order to get approval for Google AdSense, you need it. And the reason why you are placing privacy policy is because you want an approval for Google AdSense. And you also click this. You can also place affiliate links in your website. So click yes and click next, and also select your country. So let's suppose you are in India. Let's write a random name, whatever. So if you click next, then ultimately you will get this. Click copy text to clipboard and go to your page. So you are creating a new page here and write down just paste the text that you have copied. Then ultimately your privacy policy page is ready. See, you can see this is how it looks like actually. So the entire privacy policy is ready now. So, and put the title as privacy policy. That's it. So it is how simple to create a website and to connect domain to it and to get approved for AdSense and make money through it. So this is a complete process of creating a professional website for literally free. So you're not spending money here just to buy that domain for 100 to 150 rupees. You're not spending anything here. And if you write posts continuously, then ultimately you can apply for AdSense and you can place ads and you can make money through it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this and if you want someone else to get benefit out of it, please like this video. And also if you're a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.